By 2020, 50 billion devices are expected to be connected to the internet. Most of these devices will be built into industrial equipment. The huge amount of data derived from these devices is about to revolutionize manufacturing. The advanced connection of production equipment with the information network achieves a future-oriented factory. Established over 90 years ago, Mitsubishi Electric Nagoya Works is the production center of FA products. Starting with general-purpose electric motor production in 1924, we have made progress with the global manufacturing industry through the development and production of FA equipment, including sequencers and numerically controlled equipment. Meanwhile, Nagoya Works actively promoted network standardization by developing and releasing CC-Link as an open industrial network. As an FA total supplier, Nagoya Works has offered various FA products and developed solutions to visualize and solve latent issues at work sites and increase productivity. In 2003, the e-factory concept was announced. Nagoya Works started to innovate manufacturing by utilizing IT. E-factory is a solution for creating intelligent factories by connecting manufacturing sites with cyberspace based on optimal methods, in order to further promote the utilization of cyberspace in manufacturing. E-factory establishes a seamless link between the production site and the IT system. Production, equipment operation, and quality information is collected real-time, while the analysis results are fed back to the production site. This optimal environment enables workers to quickly practice an improvement cycle based on the worksite situation and data. This is how e-factory creates a future-oriented factory. The model factory is the E4 factory, the new FA equipment production building. Optimization of production. In the surface mount process for electronic parts, the situation is visualized and analyzed on a real-time basis. Defects are quickly detected to ensure high quality and productivity. Optimization of manual work. E-factory links products with equipment and makes it possible to give accurate work instructions. The quality and productivity of manual work are enhanced. Collaboration between workers and robots. The E4 factory achieves collaboration between workers and robots. This robot assembly cell is also connected with the network. The operation information is stored in the database on a real-time basis to ensure traceability management. Optimization of the value chain and supply chain. E-factory also helps optimize the value chain beyond worksite improvement. Analysis of the work history data helps improve on-site work and identify issues throughout the product life cycle, including design change. E-factory also helps optimize the entire supply chain. The seamless connection of the supply chain achieves flexible production in response to changes in market demand. Sustainability. The E4 factory achieves energy conservation through E-factory and increases sustainability. Energy conservation has been achieved by employing an energy-efficient building structure. our energy-efficient equipment, and sequencer-operated autonomous lighting and air conditioning control systems. Power consumption has been cut by about 30%. E-Factory ensures flexibility to meet changes, sustainability, and vitality at the worksite, and helps increase customer satisfaction. E-Factory offers a reliable solution to on-site issues, increases corporate value, and achieves future-oriented management.